What are test automation tools? Would you like to know what are the most popular test automation tools? Have you heard about Selenium, Cypress, Playwright? Have you heard about Postman, SubUI, JMeter, Cucumber, XUnit? So please stay tuned until the end. Subscribe my channel, hit notification bell, give me likes if you like this content, and please leave comments by typing which tool you are using. Test Automation Expert channel. LearnTestCode.com. Test automation tools. If you want to be good test automation engineer, you need to also learn about different test automation tools. I will recommend you to start from learning at the beginning at any XUnit framework. You can also learn a bit about Cucumber SpecFlow, and the reason for that is that actually all test automation, doesn't matter if this is like unit test or this is integration API or end-to-end test. All of those levels of test can be put into XUnit framework. So this is the way how more like developer are working. And Cucumber and SpecFlow, they are used for behavior-driven development. They are tool which supporting writing test with specific tools. Cucumber is used for many different languages. The most popular is for Java, and SpecFlow is like a dedicated tool to support BDD for XUnit .NET framework language. And I will recommend as well to learn some very popular end-to-end tool for mostly for UI testing, but also for API testing. And if you're starting your career and you would like to move from manual testing to automated testing, I will recommend you to start learning from Cypress and Playwright. And the reason why I don't recommend to start from Selenium. Selenium was on the market many years. And right now, Selenium has some like pitfalls, which Playwright and Cypress are much more better. As one of example is that Selenium is using WebDriver, and there's always issue with control of different version of WebDriver for different web browsers, and is totally different way used by Playwright and Cypress. And it looks like that Playwright and Cypress IO might be the future of end-to-end UI testing. If we talk about API testing, you should definitely learn about tools for API testing, for backend testing. The most popular tool is Postman and SoapUI, but of course on the market you will find many more tools for API testing. If we're talking about performance, non-functional test, JMeter is one of the most popular open source tool. I didn't mention all of those tools, they're open source. You can just download those tools and start using that. So there are many more tools, but I listed here the most popular, which I recommend you to start from. And it's very important to understand at least one XUnit framework, and I will recommend you as well to also learn about Cucumber, SpecFlow, or any tool which supports BDD. I plan to prepare some tutorials to let you better understand details of each of those tools, so please remember to hit notification bell, subscribe this channel to make sure that you are updated about the latest tutorials. Please visit my website learntestcode.com. Please remember to subscribe my channel, hit notification bell and give me likes. I'm Test Automation Expert.